Right now, your brain is doing something so powerful that if it stopped for just a few seconds, you wouldn't be here anymore. And the scary part is you don't even feel it happening. Inside your head is one of the most complex systems ever created. Not a machine, not a computer, but something far more powerful. Your brain controls everything: your thoughts, your breathing, your movement, your emotions. And yet, most people have no idea how it really works. So let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Here's the problem. We use our brain every second, but we don't understand it. We wake up, scroll our phones, eat, talk, move around, and never stop to think about what's actually happening inside our head. It's like driving a car at full speed without knowing how the engine works. And because of that, we ignore signs, we miss signals, we don't take care of it properly. But once you understand your brain, even just a little, everything changes. Let's start with something simple. Your brain is made up of billions of tiny cells. These are called neurons. Think of neurons like messengers. They carry information from one part of your body to another. But here's what makes it unbelievable. These messages travel incredibly fast, faster than you can blink. Every time you move your hand, your brain sends a signal. Every time you feel pain, your brain receives a signal. Every thought you have starts as a signal. Now imagine this. Right now, as you're watching this, billions of these signals are firing at the same time. You're not just watching this video. Your brain is working nonstop behind the scenes. It's adjusting your breathing, keeping your heart beating, helping your eyes focus on the screen, all at once, and you don't even notice it. Let's go deeper. Your brain has different parts, and each part has a job. There's a part that helps you think, a part that controls movement, a part that handles emotions, and a part that keeps you alive automatically. That last part is very important, because even when you're not thinking about it, your brain is making sure your body keeps working. You don't have to remind yourself to breathe. You don't have to tell your heart to beat. Your brain does it for you, quietly, constantly, without stopping. Now think about sleep. When you go to sleep, you might think everything shuts down, but that's not true. Your brain is still active. In fact, some parts of your brain become even more active during sleep. It organizes your memories, processes your thoughts, repairs your body. So while you rest, your brain is still working hard. It never truly takes a break. Here's another interesting thing. Your brain doesn't feel pain. You heard that right. Your brain controls pain, but it doesn't feel pain itself. That's why doctors can perform certain brain surgeries while a person is awake. It sounds strange, but it's real. Now let's talk about energy. Your brain is small compared to your body, but it uses a lot of energy. Even when you're doing nothing, your brain is still active. It's like a powerful engine, always running in the background. And if that energy supply drops, your brain starts to slow down. That's why you feel tired, confused, or unable to focus. Let's make it even simpler. Think of your brain as a control center. Your body is like a city. Your heart is pumping blood like traffic. Your lungs are bringing in oxygen like fresh air. Your muscles are doing the work. But your brain? Your brain is the one controlling everything. Without it, nothing works properly. Now here's the part most people don't think about. If your brain stops working, everything stops. Not slowly, not later. Immediately. Your heart depends on it. Your breathing depends on it. Your movement depends on it. Everything depends on your brain. And yet, we push it every day. We stress it that we don't rest enough. We overload it with information. We treat it like it will always be fine. But the truth is, your brain is powerful, but it's also sensitive. It needs care. It needs rest. It needs balance. Because once something goes wrong, it affects everything. So let's bring it all together. Inside your head is a powerful system made of billions of neurons. It sends signals every second, controls your body, keeps you alive, even when you're not thinking about it. It works while you're awake, and even while you sleep. It uses energy, processes thoughts, and handles everything you do. Your brain is not just important, it is everything. Without it, there is no movement, no thoughts, no life. Subscribe to learn more about what's happening inside your body.